Hey loves, what's up? It's Katt here and welcome back to another video. I'm sure nakita niyo na tong intro ko, but this is the part 2 kasi ng aking video ng newly released eye makeup primer ko, collaboration with mermaid.ph. So on this video, I decided to do some demo and wear test using my eye primer, but with a twist. So yeah, without further ado, let's get started with the video. So I'm gonna be using two different eye makeup base today. So on my left side, I will use my Katt X Mermaid Beauty eye primer, while on the other side, I will use the concealer which I usually use before. And I'm going to create a rainbow makeup look using my Katt X Mermaid Beauty palette. Honestly guys, ibang shades dito is paubos na kasi lagi ko nga itong ginagamit ever since. Especially the white one, super visible niya kasi nga madalas ko siyang ginagamit. So yung inspiration today, or inspiration ko for my eye makeup look is by my good friend Jayper Palma. Pack! Bigla nag-bright kasi yung phone ko ang weird. But if you can see it on the screen, I will show a photo here. So let's start. Okay, so I'm going to start with my right side. So alternate na lang sila or vice versa. So this is my concealer looks like. For those who have been watching my makeup tutorials ever since, alam nyo na ito yung ginagamit ko talaga. So I'm going to share with you why I stopped using concealer as my eyeshadow base. So basically, I have oily lids like the most of us, and it's very rare for those who have normal or dry eyelids. So concealer doesn't absorb oil. Again, we have oily lids, and this doesn't help to create a smooth base. Whenever I use concealer, nahihirapan talaga ako mag-blend out. I need to pack the colors para maging smooth yung base ko. Second, does nothing for eyeshadow longevity, or it doesn't prolong your eyeshadow color throughout the day. Third, it doesn't give justice to the true pigment of the eyeshadow. Fourth, regardless if you have dry, normal, oily eyelids, magkakaroon pa rin kayo ng eyeshadow creasing throughout the day. And lastly, take note that the skin under our eyes is different to the skin on our eyelids. So now I'm going to be using my Katt X Mermaid Beauty Eye Primer. I'm going to apply it at the back of my hand. Hindi ako naglalagay directly sa eye ko. So with eye primer, I know people have doubts about it. It's because they think it's a cash grab or another step in your makeup routine. But eye primer will help your eyeshadow stays in place throughout the day because of its oil blocking properties. It acts as a double-sided tape. It grips onto your eyelids and your eye makeup, whether it's matte, shimmer, or pigment eyeshadow. So for glitters, you need to use glitter eye primer kasi magkaiba yung ingredient na ginagamit sa eye primer sa glitter eye primer. So if you want to wear nude shadows, you can still use my Katt X Mermaid Beauty eye primer. All you need to do is to apply minimal amount onto your eyelids and blend it evenly. Eye primer also helps you to have a smooth canvas para maganda yung pag-blend out mo ng eyeshadows mo, and it gives justice to the true pigment of the eyeshadow. So first shade, I'm going to take the shade yellow dito sa may inner corner ko. so I'm going to finish off the rest of my makeup, so I'll be right back. So now we're gonna be doing some wear test. So now it's 2:21 p.m. Ayan siya. So, I'll be back siguro mga after 8 hours. Diba? Para makita natin kung alin ang pack at magiging pack na pack pa rin pa after 8 hours. Yung eye primer ko ba o yung concealer na usually ginagamit ko sa mga eye makeup ko. So, yeah. I'll be right back. So, I'm back. So, it's 10:35 in the evening and gusto ko na talaga siyang tanggalin kasi kanina ko pa nga ito suot and gusto ko na matulog. Okay, so this is what it looks like up close. So, let's start with the concealer part first. So, this is the concealer side looks like after 8 hours of wearing it. As you can tell, it doesn't look vibrant as before, pero minimal lang. But if you look closely sa yellow shadow sa may inner corner ko, very visible yung pag-fade niya. Especially if I compare sa eye primer side, makikita nyo talaga yung difference. Especially in person na, kita talaga nag-fade na siya. But on the eye primer side, still looks the same, still looks nice, still looks vibrant. At the end of the day, it's still your business and it's your decision if you still want to use concealer as your eyeshadow base. And again, my Katt X Mermaid Beauty Eye Primer is out already. You can shop now at shopee.ph/mermaid.ph. Introductory price po niya is 160 pesos until April 15th. After that, 180 pesos na po siya. This is the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching it. If you did, don't forget to click thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And click the notification bell so you won't miss out any of my videos. I hope to see you guys on my next one. Bye!